actually feel the package is very good because it helps us to save like lots of money, which we can invest into other things, especially first-time BTO owners. So I feel that they have already taken the step to look into our considerations and at the same time help us with our budget. So I think this is a very good scheme for everyone.
我们会选择来 Rezt and Relax 因为 recommendation from friends. Now the response here very prompt and proactive. Yeah, so 我们就下来看 and then the quotation is also very reasonable. So 我们就决定sign the contract.
I came to know Rezt and Relax through the internet. I met Sean and Grace about 2 weeks ago. I think their service is excellent. The package was reasonable. I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the workmanship, and I think you guys are offering the best value for money. We really appreciate the insights that they offer to us. Okay, I just won the first prize. The feeling is really good. It's even better because this is the Chinese New Year period. That really adds a lot of auspicious feelings to us, and thank you Rezt and Relax, and we appreciate the gift.